What's up, future SwiftUI legends? Welcome to the SwiftUI Navigation Masterclass. 7 lessons, 52 slides, and by the end, you'll navigate like a GPS on steroids. Here's a fun fact that'll make you cry. 60% of users delete apps with confusing navigation. That's more than half. Gone. Poof. Bye-bye 5-star rating. But don't worry, that's not going to be your app. Let's turn you into a navigation ninja. Hit that button and let's go.
Yo, let's talk about why navigation matters. Most apps have multiple screens. You tap, you move, you explore. Users expect it to be smooth. Tap forward, swipe back easy. Navigation isn't just a feature, it's the skeleton of your app. Confusing navigation? Users delete your app. Simple as that. The back button promise? Don't break it. Here's what users assume when they navigate forward. 1. They can always come back, no exceptions. 2. They won't lose their data or scroll position. 3. They'll land exactly where they started. This is trust. Navigation versus modal. Know the difference.
Navigation equals a journey. Going deeper into the app. Modal equals a pop-up. Quick interruption, then back to normal.
Quick test. Back button expected, that's navigation. Swipe down expected, that's a modal. Easy. The stack. Most important concept. Listen up. Picture a stack of pancakes. Pancakes.
Bottom pancake equals your root screen. Always there.
Tap something, new pancake on top. That's a push. Go back, top pancake removed. That's a pop. You're a genius now. SwiftUI thinks in state. Here's the magic. Old way. Computer, go to screen B. Bossy command. SwiftUI way. When X is true, show screen B. Chill description.
Navigation equals the result of state changes, not commands.
Fewer bugs, easier debugging. State-driven is the way. The list to detail flow, it's everywhere. User sees a list, Instagram, Amazon, any app really. They tap an item. Detail screen shows that exact item. Back button, same scroll position, same state. This pattern is 80% of apps. Master it, master everything. Vocab time, these words will be your friends.
Root means first screen, home base, the OG. Destination means where you're heading next. Path means your navigation history, breadcrumbs. Push and pop mean forward and back movements. Context is the environment.
Boom! Lesson 1 complete! You know what navigation is and why it matters. Navigation versus modal? You got this. Stack mental model? Locked in. State-driven thinking? Activated. You're ready to code.
Lesson 2 crushed. You're on fire today. UIKit versus SwiftUI, you get it now. Autopilot mode activated. 170 more XP. Mindset shifter. SwiftUI convert. Boolean boss, truth seeker. Unlocked. Coming up. NavigationStack foundations, where the real magic begins.
Lesson 2, mindset shift time.
UIKit is like a manual car. You control everything yourself. SwiftUI is like autopilot. You describe, it delivers. UIKit says, turn left, now right, park here. SwiftUI says, take me to the coffee shop. Big difference.
UIKit navigation the old way. You're like a puppet master, pulling every string. Push view controllers manually, handle lifecycle. Manage back buttons, don't forget cleanup. Full control? Yes. Easy to mess up? Absolutely. SwiftUI navigation, the new way. You describe relationships, not give commands. Animations, automatic. Back gestures, built in. View lifecycles, SwiftUI handles it for you. But your state must be clean, that's the deal. Why beginners struggle? Don't be this person. They look for push functions. There are none. They try UIKit patterns in SwiftUI. Fail. They follow outdated tutorials. Confusion. New habits today. Fresh start. Let's go.
The Boolean revelation, mind blown. Imagine is showing detail equals true or false.
True? Detail screen appears. False? It's gone.
That's it. SwiftUI navigation is conditional UI. Simple.
Golden rule. Write this down. Single source of truth. Navigation state must be consistent and predictable.
Bad state means weird bugs everywhere. Clean state means clean navigation means happy you.
Pro tip, save yourself headaches. Don't navigate from deep inside list rows. Keep navigation at a higher level. Rows should be dumb. Just display data. Parent handles navigation. Clean separation. Lesson 2 done. You're on fire. New mental model unlocked.
SwiftUI navigation is state-driven description.
You define destinations, not push screens.
Clean state means clean navigation. Next, NavigationStack. NavigationStack. Mastered. You're basically a pro now. The stage is set, the route is found, and you know how to avoid those nasty nesting bugs. Another 175 XP earned, stage builder, stack strategist, gesture getter, bug buster. Next, NavigationLink, connecting screens like a boss.
NavigationStack, the star of the show. It's the stage for your navigation performance. Without it, links don't work, titles break. It manages your entire stack history. Set it up right. Everything else falls into place. The root screen, your home base. This is where everything starts. It should be stable and predictable. You cannot go back past it. It's the anchor. Think of it as the lobby. Everyone starts there. Pro tip, don't mess this up. Put NavigationStack near the APP root, usually in your main app file. Don't wrap every screen with its own stack. One stack to rule them all, that's the rule. Navigation path, your travel history. The path tracks everywhere you've been. Super useful for programmatic navigation. Deep linking, path. Custom back, path. Know it exists. It'll be your friend later. Fun fact about titles and toolbars. Navigation titles only work inside NavigationStack. Same with toolbars, same with nav modifiers. Put them outside, nothing happens. Stack first, decoration after. Free stuff from SwiftUI, you're welcome. Swipe back gesture, automatic, no code. Back button, included. Users swipe from left edge to go back. Native iOS feel, zero effort, chef's kiss. Beginner mistake alert. Don't nest navigation stacks, just don't. Symptoms, double nav bars, broken back buttons. Random UI resets, nightmares. One stack, that's it. Trust me on this. Lesson 3 complete, setup mastered. You know what NavigationStack is? You know where to place it. You know what mistakes to avoid. Next, NavigationLink, connecting screens.
NavigationLink conquered. Look at you go. Label plus destination equals magic. And you even learned about accessibility. 170 XP added. Link legend, anatomy expert, backmaster, accessibility ally. Up next, custom navigation UI. Time to make things beautiful.
NavigationLink, the glue of your app. It's not just a button, it's a declaration. A relationship, a promise. If user taps this, show that. The OS handles transitions, pure magic. 2 parts, memorize this. Label, what user sees and taps. Destination, the screen that appears. Keep them separate and clean. Your future self will thank you. NavigationLink protects you. It helps prevent bugs automatically. Keeps navigation consistent. Ties destinations to UI tree properly. SwiftUI has your back, literally. Back navigation, automatic. Back button free, zero code needed. Swipe gesture included. Stack pops automatically. Native feel, no effort. We love it. Navigation titles matter. The title answers, where am I? Every screen needs clear identity. Good titles reduce confusion. Settings, profile, order details. Be specific. Accessibility, not optional. Tap targets, at least 44 points. Apple's rule. Use descriptive labels. Avoid tiny touch areas. Pro apps are accessible apps. Mistake number 2, hiding navigation in random modifiers, bad. Keep navigation visible and explicit. Don't bury it in nested views.
Readable code means maintainable navigation.
Lesson 4 smashed! Label versus destination, understood. Free system features, activated. Common pitfalls, avoided. Next, making navigation beautiful.
Custom UI complete. Your apps are gonna look amazing. Cards, rows, images. You can wrap anything now. Tap feedback, you got it. 155 XP earned. Style starter, wrapper master, card creator, row ranger. Next up, passing data, where real apps get real.
Custom navigation UI, time to get fancy. Default navigation links, blue text, boring. Real apps use cards, custom buttons. Beautiful rows, stunning layouts. Let's make your app shine! The secret, wrap anything. NavigationLink can wrap any view. Images, yep, cards, absolutely. Stacks, shapes, gradients, all fair game.
Whatever you put inside becomes tappable.
Anatomy of a perfect tappable card. Background shape, rounded rectangle. content layout, icon, title, subtitle. Visual affordance, chevron or shadow. Designed for clarity, tap-worthy. Tap feedback, pro versus amateur. When users tap, they need confirmation. Subtle highlight, perfect. Small scale animation, even better. Make it feel alive, make taps satisfying. The list row pattern, use it constantly. Leading icon on the left. Primary title, maybe subtitle. Trailing chevron on the right. The most common iOS pattern, master it. Warning, don't break gestures. Custom gestures on NavigationLink, risky. Navigation might get blocked. Double triggers happen. Keep label interactions simple. Lesson 5 complete, looking pro. Card navigation, check. Row navigation, check. Tap feedback awareness, check. Next, passing data, real app stuff.
Data passing perfected. No more wrong item bugs for you. List owns data. Detail displays it. Clean architecture achieved. 165 XP in the bank. Data detective, owner-operator, model maker, bug destroyer. Final lesson coming up. Modern navigation patterns.
Passing data, this is where it gets real. The question, which item did user tap? You show 100 products in a list. Detail must show the right one. Get this wrong? Broken app! The ownership rule, simple but powerful. List owns the data, has the whole collection. Detail just displays what it receives. Clear separation, clean architecture. Parent gives, child shows, clean. Why models beat strings? Hard coding breaks fast. iPhone 15 today, but tomorrow? Price, image, description, rating needed. Model scale, strings don't. Identifiable protocol, super important. SwiftUI needs stable identity. That ID prevents weird list bugs. Maps items to destinations reliably.
Identity is the backbone of dynamic UI.
Parameter passing pattern, do this. Detail view accepts a product parameter. Doesn't fetch blindly. Reusable, testable, predictable. This is how pros do it. Common bug alert. Single shared variable for detail, bad. Global selected item updated, worse. User taps A, sees B, nightmare. Pass data directly, always safer. Lesson 6, complete, list to detail mastered. Data ownership, understood. Models used correctly. Right item passed, every time. Next, modern navigation patterns.
Oh my God, you did it. All 7 lessons complete. From what is navigation to modern type-based routing, you learned it all. 200 XP for this finale. Future Explorer, Type Router, Centralizer. You're a navigation master now. Total course XP, over 1,200 points. You're officially ready to build amazing apps. Go forth and create something incredible. The world needs your app.
Final lesson, modern navigation. Problem, apps grow, navigation gets messy.
Many screens means links scattered everywhere.
Solution, database navigation. Welcome to iOS 16 plus style, clean. New thinking, navigate with values. Old, tap this, go to that view. New, navigate with value, show matching screen. Product value, product detail view. Type decides destination, so clean. Type-based routing is powerful. Product type, product detail view. User type, profile view. Order type, order detail view. Like a router, but native SwiftUI. Centralize your navigation.
NavigationDestination puts all rules in one place.
Type X navigates to view Y. Refactoring becomes easy. Clean, organized, maintainable. Why learn this as a beginner? You don't need to master it today, but knowing it exists helps you. Read modern code, avoid outdated patterns. You're learning the future. Congratulations, all lessons complete. From what is navigation to modern routing. Stack model, mastered. Data passing, understood. You're ready for real apps. Now go build.